Right click on slide, choose layout blank. Again right click on slide and choose format background and choose black color. Now using the crop tool, crop this image. Put the image in the center of the slide. Choose a couple of more images. Now go to insert and insert a text box. Now select the text and choose this color. Now go to picture format and set the transparency to 30%. Do the same for all of the images. For the font family, I am using the Fordamento font. Place the title like this. Using the Ctrl D shortcut, make copy of the title 2 times. Select the slide and using Ctrl D, make a copy of it. Remove the other 2 images. Go to insert, then shapes, put a rectangle here with no outline and send it to back. Change the color of the rectangle. Go to picture format and set the transparency back to 0. Again go to shapes and make a line here. Place it under the title. Resize it. Right click on it and send it to back. Insert a text box. Change the color of it. Now choose this slide and make the copy of it 2 times using Ctrl D. Change the content of it. Select the images from the first slide. Send them to back and delete the first one, then again move it to front. Do the same for all the slides. Now go to icons and search for arrow right and insert it. Change the color of it. Make the copies using Ctrl D and put them like this. Now right click on the first image and select link. Now choose the second slide from the window and do the same for the other ones. For the second one, do it slide 3, and for the last one, slide 4. On slide 2, insert a new text box. Right back to menu. This will be used to go back to the slide 1. Now insert a new arrow, new icon. Now choose title and arrow using Ctrl C. Copy it and paste it on all the other slides using Ctrl V. Now right click on the title, select link again. Link them to the slide 1. That is our main slide, the first one. Now on slide 2, choose the picture and go to animations, then extra animations and choose float up. Now choose the shape and set the animation to fade. Go to animation pane, set both the animations to start with previous. Delay the rectangle animation to 0.5 seconds. Do the same for all the other slides. On the first slide, insert a new text box and write next slide. Insert a new icon with the arrow down. Right click on the sidebar and new slide then. On the next slide title, click on edit link and choose the last slide.